Hello everyone, my beautiful friend enjoying a little bit of sunshine and a little bit of chicken bone. Not very often, but only sometimes they get a chicken bone from a chicken drumstick and they enjoy the marrow. They love it. The little one as well. I don't know if they finished or not, but let's say, yeah. Oh, Asel Safifi, he loves its bone. For some of you, maybe it's a bit strange, but they need the nutrition time to time. Oh, you want more? Okay, go have a seat. Go have a seat over there. Yeah, one more. Oof. You want as well? Here, one more. One more. Enjoy. Enjoy. Bye bye, everyone.